Wow, it has been confirmed that Binance US definitely are ready to burn over 110 billion coins of Terra Classic in 1 year. This has been going on for some months, whereby we have been talking about the possibility of getting Terra Classic on Binance US. Now, Binance US have managed to push themselves among the top 20 crypto coins with the highest market cap. And when you talk about US, you know that US have that large market. Okay, most coins always do well, especially when citizens of US have access to these coins to buy and trade these coins. Most of these coins always do well. Now, Binance US, they have been talking about the partnership between them and Terra Classic, and I know this is going to bring a green result for Terra Classic coin. This is going to bring great improvement based on the large audience they have and based on the trading volume that always come from US. Okay, they have a large trading volume and huge investment capital to invest in most coins. So imagine Terra Classic being added on Binance US. We are expecting more. We are expecting more burning because definitely the tax bomb must take its place. Now, I believe that yes, Binance US have that possibility of burning over 110 billion coins of Terra Classic within 1 year. I know it is not going to be easy, but right now we are at a stage where Terra Classic will soon be recording high burning rate every month after their next upgrade. And I believe definitely also say they are coming up with different ways to increase the burning rate of Terra Classic, which I know that Binance US will play a long role. It can play a vital role in helping Terra Classic destroy more coins, in helping Terra Classic hit back on track, in helping Terra Classic pump. So that is why you see so many coins. If you are not if people in the US cannot purchase that coin, you see these coins most times not doing well. America, US is the market mostly for cryptocurrency. Okay, yes, the market for cryptocurrency, because the trading volume they normally controls is higher if you compare it in conjunction with that of so many countries. US alone definitely can control Terra Classic if Luna gets listed on Binance US. I know already Binance have been burning, and they also have people there buying and trading Terra Classic, but it's going to also increase. They're going to improve Terra Classic once these two gets this partnership done. Once Terra Classic find itself on Binance US app, on Binance US platform, where you can buy this coin or trade Terra Classic. So I believe that very soon something big is coming. Not just Binance US, we also believe some other exchanges also will be helping to destroy Terra Classic coin. This year, before the end of the year, is definitely going to be a good year for crypto industry. But please kindly note that this video is not a financial advice. So please do your own proper research before investing in any crypto coin we mention here on our channel. Once again, thank you for stopping by.